What is up, good people? This your boy Vlad coming with a quick video here tonight. So as you can see, the title of this is Sector Momentum. Energy sector was hot today. And the leader of it all, I believe it was EFOI. EFOI. Pretty much it was contract. So I didn't actually see this to like midday when it's coming down, or else I would have tried to trade it as well. But nonetheless, just explaining to you guys sector momentum and how crucial these plays are. You know, you could literally grow your account with plays like this sector momentum, because normally when a whole sector is hot, you could see just by overnight holding, um, you could see 10, 15, even 20% just overnight. So I'll make this real quick here. So EFOI contract, it gapped up big. Then as soon as the market opened, it had this run. Got all the way up to 93 cents. So this was initially, it closed yesterday at 40 cents. So 100%. So the way that I normally play sector momentum is nearly close to the end of the day, around 3 p.m. I have my scanner up. So my scanner, if the market was open, it would update real time. So I would see all the percenters, and all I would simply just do, it just go down the line and just take a look and just to see what stocks are up. And one key thing that I always look for is like what sector are they in. So as you could see here, this one was the top, EORZ. This was oil. So then I'll just skim through, just see if there's any other oil plays. If not, just go back to the other one, medical, and so on and so on. So as I was doing it later this afternoon, I saw energy, EFOI. This was considered energy. Then going down, PES energy. Okay, so my interest started to peak a little bit. Then keep scrolling down. It was more energy than this earlier. There it is. SWN energy. GPOR energy. So that's so far, that's 4 stocks. That's energy. So once I see that, I start looking at each individual charts. So taking a look, so I'll go first, take a look at EFOI just to see if that's a good play. This is downtrending. So if it's downtrending, the rule of thumb that I normally do, I don't play it. Because pretty much, I mean, it's a beaten up stock at that point. So I tend to look for the one that is uptrending. So I quickly just skim the chart, PES. And by the way, PES was the one that I wanted to play here. So looking at PES, so it's actually uptrending. So I would just put this, quickly on the watch list just to have it. Then I'll just do quick research before purchasing anything. Then just keep going down the line, find another one. And LPI, even though it doesn't say energy, but petroleum, that's a type of energy. So I'll take a look at that too. Even oil, I'll take a look at it as well too. That's a type of energy. Then I'll look at GPOR, look at the chart. So this is uptrending. All right. So it's uptrending, but then I look at the yearly. Ideally, for me, I want to find the stock with the lowest float possible. Not a lot of overhead resistance, and the reason why I didn't choose this one is because of the volume. It's too many. It's congested to me. It has too many people trading this stock on a day-to-day basis, so the outcome of it would be iffy. So I didn't put that one on. Let's keep going down. Alright, then the next thing that I normally do is go to the lion.com. Just to show you how it would pop up, the lion.com. And once I get here, I go to gainers, percent gainers, see more. Then all I do just control F, type in energy, and see how many pops up. So 8 different stocks pop up for energy. So we already have EFOI, where I looked at that. PES, where I looked at that. CJ, we did not look at. So what we'll do, just quickly just go here, go to CJ. This is uptrending as well. So you start to see a pattern once you're doing this, because when it's sector momentum, most of the stocks, they're gonna do the same thing. Like this here, like CJ, it's uptrending. This was from roughly, let's see, what was the opening? Open at 910, got as high as 11, so pretty good. But for me, CJ's too high price stock, so I wouldn't trade it. And again, for me, just based on my criterias, it's congested as well too. Like, there's too many traders. Not to say it's not gonna have a good, second day move, but for me, it's too high price, and also the volume on the daily. All right, so oops. So we got CJ, GPOR, where I got that one. SWN, I don't think we did that one. So it's just really simple just to be able to take a look. SWN, same thing. Energy, uptrend. Again, this is congested, so I wouldn't. And in the yearly chart, it's pretty much has been on a downtrend. So any pops, I feel like any pops, the people who are, at these levels, they're going to try to slam the stock back down. So I wouldn't trade that one. So the goal is to find the best play out of the energy sector. SEI, that's another one. SEI, same thing, beaten down, but daily is trending upwards. So SEI. Then after you do this, certain amount of time, you start to get, feel for the companies and get feel for the different stocks. SRCI, same thing, no go. And matter of fact, I didn't even look at YUMA. I know that is a low float. So actually, this should have been, for me at least, the number one pick. I didn't even see it because I know with them, let me see the float count. YUMA. YUMA. Go to statistic. The market cap, 2 million. So it's easy for a $2 million dollar stock to go to 4 million versus the other big ones like which one do we have? Let me see here. Uh, 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 uh. GPOR. Hold on. Yeah, let's try SWN. Oops. SWN. Is it M or N? SWN. Market cap for this is 1 billion. Like, market cap matters whenever you're trying to trade because it's really hard to try to turn this company into a $2 billion company. So I tend to try to focus on the small caps because it's easier to turn a company from 2.4 million to 5 million. So pretty much it would double and it would have a lot of room to go up. So ideally this should have been the number one play. I did PES. PES That's the one that I picked. Market cap not bad. I mean 18 million. Shares outstanding. Float for it is 74 million. I mean it's a lot. But one thing that I did like about it was the chart for it. And it had this consolidation area right here. And with a lot of red days. And this is the first green day. And as you can see, it's already gapping up, after market. So it closed at 23 cents currently right now. After market is at 25 cents. So I did pick right. So with that being said, you could pretty much see for future sector momentum, you could pretty much see like why to pick why some traders have really good success at trading sector momentum. It's really based upon the market cap. You try to avoid the high market cap on sector momentum. You want to find the ones with the lowest float possible, stocks that could really run. Yuma, let me drag this down. That wasn't it. Yuma, haven't really been having a lot of volume, but as you could see for this, it is, I mean, with the float size, it could really rip. So that would be float of 1.2 million. So if it continues tomorrow with the sector, definitely to have this on your watch list here, Yuma, because it could rip, to the fours or even past it. But currently right now, PES is the one that I'm focusing on. Yeah, hopefully I made this clear enough. I know I'm stuttering a lot. I'm a little tired. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And I'll certainly try to answer your questions. But But yeah, you gotta love sector momentums. It's, it's by far the easiest, or one of the easiest plays. You're not wasting a day trade by doing it, and you're just following the leader. As the leader goes, so shall the other stock in that same sector go. So I just wanted to make that quick video. I'll say if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I certainly will try to answer it. This is Vlad signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your evening. Peace.